I don't know if people are interested in this, but this is just a short little video on where I am at today and some of the reasons why I'm getting into change management, becoming a change agent. And it's interesting because life is really change. So this is a book I read a few years ago, fascinated by the study, The Walmart Way with Sam Walton. And then I read The Starbucks Experience, which is pretty cool, how Starbucks was turned around once again. And then a few months ago I read Never Split the Difference and was fascinated by emotional intelligence, empathy, all that kind of stuff. I'm like, I don't know why I gravitate towards these type of books, but I just loved Never Split the Difference. I can't tell you how many times I read it last year. And then the HBR guide, of course, to emotional intelligence. Then I just picked up this book. Actually, this one's my wife's book, so I stole it from her. Coaching Habit, Say Less, Ask More, and Change the Way You Lead Forever. So it kind of ties in with this. And then I came across this book, Built to Last. I didn't have it in my library, so I got to read this one yet. Then I have Good to Great. These are books that I'm reading right now. Great by Choice. And then I discovered change management after these books here. So then I read this book, I read this book, I read this book, and then I read this book, Start With Why, with Simon Sinek. And my wife gave me this book last year, and I just put it aside. So it's kind of interesting seeing the evolution of change. And then these are the books that I read in the last few weeks, and these ones like I said, I'm reading right now. And of course, this is where I'm at today, which is the whole ProSci change management program and all this kind of stuff. So I'm just going through all this material, going through this book. This is awesome. What was it? 650 organizations share lessons and best practices in change management. Then of course this is kind of a recap. After this you get this little book, and this basically just a little snapshot of what you've learned through the whole process. So it's just kind of interesting that this is really life. This is how life happens. Sometimes you don't even know why you're on a certain journey. For me, I just started reading, and all of a sudden everything is just kind of tying together nicely. And then I discovered change management. It's actually fascinating when you think about it. Anyways, I don't know if this is cool for anyone, but I thought I'd just share that. Thanks for watching.